DOBOT empowers the U.S. GO TEC program. GO TEC stands for Great Opportunities in Technology and Engineering Careers. It's a Virginia-based initiative designed for middle school students, creating career pathways in technology and engineering. The program aims to empower tomorrow, inspiring students to explore and grow in high-demand fields such as technology, engineering, and manufacturing.
Hi, my name is Jacob Taylor. I'm the GO TEC Technical and Training Manager here at the Institute for Advanced Learning and Research in Danville, Virginia.
My name is Chris Griffith. I am the Training Coordinator for Region 3 here at the Institute for Advanced Learning and Research in Danville, Virginia.
Could you give us an overview of the GO TEC project?
So, GO TEC is a middle school initiative to introduce students to career paths that are in demand, high paying, and will trigger some economic growth and prosperity in regions of Virginia. We do that through hands-on lessons that engage students with industry-like equipment so that they can get an idea of what careers, concepts, and skills are involved in the career paths that we introduce students to.
Why did you choose DOBOT for the automation course in GO TEC?
For GO TEC, we have chosen the DOBOT Magician package for our middle school robotics platform. And we use it for a variety of reasons. It's a great introduction to industrial robots for students in that 6th, 7th, and 8th grade level, which is our target grade level.
How do you think DOBOT is helping the program and the students?
The results that we're getting by incorporating the DOBOT Magician package, they've been very positive. We get a lot of feedback from our teachers and our students about how user-friendly it is, about how the teachers have commended it on how well students are able to demonstrate the concepts that they learn. In terms of setup and user friendliness, teachers are able to deploy this. We have over 11,000 students in our program as of last school year. To be able to put this technology in the hands of that many students has been a big impact for our program.
We use the DOBOT Magician. We deploy about 16 of these into each one of our labs. Right now we're going to be currently in 76 schools this upcoming fall. We also incorporate 6 conveyor belts, and so that we can actually go against, across a couple of our modules. So we use this on automation and robotics with the incorporation of the conveyor belts. We can actually have 2 magicians talking together or speaking back and forth using a conveyor belt in our manufacturing engineering program. And then once we step up from that and go post middle school, and we're looking at like high school level, we're looking at a different robot, which is what Jacob's going to talk with the E6.
Yeah. Also, we foresee a lot of the school divisions we work with asking us, how do they make their high school programs more robust? What can they incorporate in their automation and robotics programs after students leave the middle school GO TEC experience? So we're going to continue to share with them the value that the E6 can add to their training pathways so that those students can continue to build concepts and skills that are going to be important for industry applications and careers later in life.